Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a code with me, and this is not a tutorial at all. It's just me coding my website. I decided to do my website because I am preparing for interviews again, and I just realized I do not have a website. And I never had one, so I thought maybe I should have my own personal website. So I am going to be doing that today. It's not quite finished, but this is just me showing you what I have so far. Again, this is not a tutorial, but if you have like a project or something, like go ahead and code with me. So this is me just styling what I have so far. In CSS, I'm using React. I already have like this sidebar, but I can link the tutorial below. I just kind of decided to recreate the sidebar because I thought it was pretty cool. It's like a Confluence sidebar, but now that I'm thinking about it, it's kind of bulky and it doesn't really look that great. It's just kind of there. And I was trying to decide where to put it. Like you can see in my app component, I'm trying to mess around with the different components like the header and the sidebar, and it just looked a mess. But I might just get rid of it because I already have the header. But I thought it would be cool to have a sidebar, just add some more links to my site because I want my header to look really crisp and clean. I don't want that to be too many links in my header. So yeah, I decided to just go ahead and color and leave that alone. Maybe at the end I'll decide, and just ignore how it looks because I had some issue with my app component where the two components I have there were not well aligned. So here I'm trying to highlight the header links that I have. I'm using this use effect or use state React method so that I can, when I hover over the links, I can make it look nice and have it show something razzle dazzle. But I had some errors because, again, it's been a real long time since I've coded. When I used to code, when I first started coding, they didn't even have, React never had this use state and, all that. So I had to, relearn all of that. And in my other job, I didn't really use React. So it's like a learning lesson for me. Okay, so you can kind of see it's starting to look decent. I just don't like that when I hover around, it twitches, the div surrounding the links twitch. That's something I'm gonna change after, I have all the components that I want, and, I'll go back in and fine tune my coding. But here I'm just trying to style it again and just to make sure it looks good. I am kind of trying to see how this is supposed to look, and I just keep going back and forth and changing up the styling and the method and the functions and all of that just to make sure it looks good. So then I added my video because I was like, how am I going to show a little preview of me or whatever? So I decided to make a video on Canva. Ignore this video, it's not the final video. I just put some random clips together and put it in Canva. I used the AI function in the Canva studio, and I I just put in software engineer, let me just put these random clips and put software engineer. And it did a software engineer day in my life, which is what I did not ask for that at all. So their AI, whoever is in charge of their AI, and Canva. Like, you just need a little to work on that a little bit, because that's not what I wanted. I wanted an intro video, and instead I got a day in the life video. But anyway, I'm trying to create like this overlay, because I want it to be like a little dark, I don't want it to be bright like that. I wanted to add some styling, some razzle dazzle, and I could not for the life of me figure out how to put the overlay on. For some reason, you would think it's like an easy thing to do, and I just couldn't figure it out at first. And then I realized I had to put the overlay after the video. Like, the order of importance in React is super important. So I decided to put that overlay there, and you see the styling is there. I don't know about this inline styling, but you can see that it works, and that's kind of the thing I wanted. It's a little big though, so I'm probably gonna make it lower. So now I'm gonna do some stuff with Framer Motion, and Tailwind and Next and all of that. I kind of wanted to have this kind of scroll effect, where when you scroll down you see like a little mini me, kind of scale up as you scroll, like it's like a zoom in zoom out type of thing. I thought would be pretty cool. But I was looking at this tutorial, I'll link it below, and they used Next. It seems like a lot of people are using Next these days as a React framework, so I decided to use Next.js, and it was a little annoying because I had to kind of rearrange everything. Like Next, you have to, they don't recognize the source, like React recognizes source folder. So I had to put things in the page directory and the app directory and all that. So I had to rearrange my entire directory, my entire tree directory, which was kind of annoying. And then I was using Bootstrap to kind of coincide with Tailwind CSS, as you can see here. But I don't know. I was looking at the tutorial, and I'm looking at my video, and I was like, why is nothing showing up? I hate watching a tutorial and nothing shows up at all. So I just kept coding to see, just try and, see what can be done, making sure everything is right and organized. This is before I decided to redo my tree, so you can still see there's a source directory on there, which Next does not really work well with. So I have to, I realized later on, let me just reorganize everything. So now you can see it's a bit changed. You can see I can scroll it, and the image moves like I want it. Well, kind of like I wanted to, but I had to zoom in my website, so it's not really working the way I want. But that will be in part 2. So anyway, that is all for now. See you guys next time. Bye.